Diesel engines are built like tanks, durable, powerful, and made to last hundreds of thousands of miles. But what if I told you that most drivers are secretly destroying their diesel engines without even realizing it? Small habits, daily mistakes, and bad maintenance routines are quietly turning these bulletproof machines into time bombs, leading to blown turbos, seized injectors, and full engine failure. If you drive a diesel and want your engine to outlive the truck itself, you need to stop these habits right now. So before your engine eats itself alive, hit that like button, subscribe to Car Care Expert, and stay with me till the end, because habit number 13 is the one that kills more diesel engines than any other. Number 1. Skipping diesel-specific oil changes. Diesel engines run hotter, work harder, and generate more soot than gasoline engines. That's why regular engine oil simply won't cut it. Skipping oil changes or using the wrong type leads to clogged oil passages, stuck lifters, and turbo damage. Diesel oil has additives to handle soot and high temps. Ignore this and your oil turns into sludge fast, choking your engine from the inside. Next, this one habit can blow your turbo without warning. Number 2. Shutting off the engine immediately after driving. When you shut down a hot diesel engine too quickly, especially after a hard drive, the turbo stays red hot, but the oil stops flowing. This heat soak can cook the oil inside the turbo, forming carbon deposits that clog oil lines and destroy the bearings. Always idle for at least 60-90 seconds before shutting off. It's free, but skipping this can cost you $2,000 plus BALs in turbo replacement. Up next, the biggest mistake diesel owners make in winter. Number 3. Not using a diesel fuel additive in cold weather. Diesel fuel thickens in the cold. It gels. Without a proper anti-gel additive, it can clog the fuel filter and lines, starving the engine of fuel. Your truck will crank endlessly and never start. Worse, the high-pressure fuel pump can get damaged during dry cranking. A $10 bottle of additive can save you from a $1,500 plus no-start repair bill. Next, why skipping this simple step ruins your emission system. Number 4. Ignoring the diesel particulate filter, DPF. Your DPF traps soot, but it needs to regenerate or burn it off periodically. If you only drive short trips, the regen cycle can't complete and soot builds up. Eventually, this causes loss of power, poor fuel economy, and even engine derate mode. Once clogged, DPFs can cost over $3,000 to replace. Drive long enough for full regens, or use a forced regen tool periodically. Next, are you guilty of this costly fuel system mistake? Number 5. Using cheap fuel from sketchy stations. Diesel fuel quality varies greatly. Cheap or contaminated fuel contains water, microbes, and debris. Clog injectors, damage the fuel pump, and cause rough running. Water is especially deadly. It corrodes metal components and creates injector knock. Always buy from reputable fuel stations and consider using a diesel fuel system cleaner every few thousand miles. Coming up, the one habit that silently kills your injectors. Number 6, letting the fuel tank run too low. Running on empty may seem harmless, but diesel tanks collect sediment and water at the bottom. When fuel gets low, you pull that gunk into your injectors. Modern diesel injectors are high precision and extremely sensitive. A single dirty load of fuel can destroy them. Always keep your tank above 1/4 full to avoid costly damage. Next, this battery mistake causes serious engine issues in cold weather. Number 7, using a weak or old battery. Diesel engines require more cranking amps than gas engines. A weak battery leads to hard starts, failed glow plug cycles, and ECU glitches. In freezing temps, this could mean a dead truck and a call to a tow company. Always test your battery before winter and replace it if it's more than 4 years old. Don't wait until it strands you. Next, how a $10 filter can save your entire engine. Number 8, skipping air filter replacements. Diesel engines breathe a massive volume of air. A dirty air filter chokes off airflow, increases EGTs, exhaust gas temperatures, and causes poor turbo performance. Dirty filters also allow debris to reach your cylinders, causing premature wear. Replace your air filter every 15,000 to 30,000 miles depending on conditions, or more often if you're driving off-road or in dusty areas. Next, are you overfilling your engine oil? That's a big mistake. Number 9, overfilling engine oil. More oil equals better protection, right? Wrong. Overfilling causes the crankshaft to whip the oil into a foam, reducing its ability to lubricate. This can starve the turbo, bearings, and even damage seals. Always follow the dipstick or owner's manual and never top off blindly. Too much oil can be just as bad as too little. Now let's talk about idling, because most diesel owners are doing it wrong. Number 10, excessive idling. Idling for long periods, especially in newer diesel trucks, leads to soot buildup, unburned fuel deposits, and DPF clogging. It also wastes fuel and wears the engine without doing productive work. If you're idling for more than 5 minutes, you're better off shutting down, unless temps are extreme. Prolonged idle equals shortened engine life. Coming up, ignoring this simple maintenance can wreck your turbo system. Number 11, never draining the water separator. Most diesel trucks have a fuel water separator that captures moisture before it reaches the injectors. But if you don't manually drain it, often via a small valve or sensor alert, that water eventually makes its way into the fuel system, leading to rust, injector failure, and poor combustion. Drain the water trap every oil change or as needed. It only takes seconds. Next, doing this right after cold start? Huge mistake. Number 12, revving the engine when cold. Revving your diesel before it warms up puts massive stress on cold, thick oil, bearings, and the turbo. It also causes incomplete combustion, soot buildup, and can trigger DPF regen failures. After a cold start, let your engine idle for at least 2 to 3 minutes and drive gently until the temp gauge rises. Cold revving is like running a marathon without stretching. It's asking for failure. Now, the final mistake that kills more diesel engines than any other, number 13, ignoring warning lights. Diesel engines rely on a complex network of sensors, computers, and control modules. When a warning light appears, whether it's the check engine, glow plug, or DPF light, most drivers ignore it. That light could mean failing injectors, overboost, low fuel rail pressure, or clogged EGR. Ignoring it can push the engine into derate mode, shut down the turbo, or worse, trigger catastrophic failure. Always scan for codes ASAP. So there you have it, 13 diesel engine habits that could be silently wrecking your car from the inside out. Diesel power is legendary, but it only lasts if you treat it right. Which of these habits are you guilty of? Let us know in the comments. And if you've learned something valuable today, hit that like button, subscribe to Car Care Expert, and turn on notifications so you never miss a video that could save you thousands in repairs.